Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is database management system. First we need to understand what is database management system. A collection of programs that are used to create, maintain and access database is called database management system. In database management system, the major component is software known as database manager. It controls the working of overall database management system. Normally, the database management system is used in large or medium-sized organizations for management of data. Today, most popular and commonly used database management system is Microsoft Access. Objectives of database management system. There are four main objectives of database management system: shareability, availability, evolvability, and database integrity. First objective of database management system is shareability. Shareability means sharing of information among many users or people. An ability to share data or information is a fundamental objective of database management system. Information can be stored at a central place and different users can share the data from different locations. Second objective of database management system is availability. Availability means the user must be able to access data and information stored in database management system easily. Data should be available when it is needed. Third objective of database management system is evolvability. Evolvability means the database management system must provide options or facility to change both data and database structure according to the user's need and advancement in the technology. Fourth objective of database management system is database integrity. Database integrity refers to the correctness and consistency of data. In database management system, data is shared among multiple users. There must be some consistency rules that can be applied to database so that the correct data can be entered into database. This concept is known as database integrity. So in today's lecture we have discussed different objectives of database. There are four main objectives of database. First one is shareability, second availability, third is evolvability, and fourth one is database integrity. These are the four main objectives of database management systems. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.